Here are 6 fruits you should eat daily to help naturally detox your liver and kidneys, thanks to their high antioxidant content, hydration properties, and nutrients that support liver and kidney function. 1. Lemon. Why it helps. High in vitamin C and citric acid, lemons stimulate liver enzymes and enhance detoxification. Best way to consume. Start your day with warm lemon water to support digestion and flush toxins. 2. Apples. Why it helps. Rich in pectin, apples help remove heavy metals and other toxins from the body. They also aid digestion and liver health. Best way to consume. Eat raw or blend into a smoothie for a fiber-rich detox. 3. Grapes, especially red or black. Why it helps. Packed with antioxidants like resveratrol and glutathione, grapes protect the liver and kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress. Best way to consume. Snack on a handful of organic grapes or add them to your breakfast bowl. 4. Watermelon. Why it helps. Super hydrating and diuretic, watermelon helps flush the kidneys and supports urinary tract health. Best way to consume. Enjoy chilled slices or blend into juice for a refreshing detox drink. 5. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, cranberries. Why they help. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, berries protect liver cells and help prevent urinary tract infections, especially cranberries. Best way to consume. Add to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt bowls. 6. Pineapple. Why it helps. Contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation and supports digestion and kidney health. Best way to consume. Fresh pineapple chunks or juice, unsweetened. Bonus tips. Always opt for organic, when possible, to avoid pesticide load. Combine fruits with hydration, fiber, and a balanced diet for best detox results. Avoid excessive sugar or canned versions of these fruits. Thank you for watching.